Good morning, students. My name is Dr. Shruti Mishra. I'm Assistant Professor and the Coordinator in the Department of Management and Commerce, Faculty of Law and Governance in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will going to discuss about the roles of the management. That what do we understand by the roles of the management and what are they? Now, first of all, we need to understand, and in the previous session we also understood about the what exactly management means. The process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling to meet the organizational goals is called the management. Now, what are the managerial roles? Behavioral pattern and the activities involved in carrying out the functions of the management include the interpersonal, informational, and decision-making roles are called the managerial roles. So basically those roles which are involved the interpersonal, I mean when how you are behaving with your subordinates and your boss, your manager, your colleagues, and informational role, I mean how you are disseminating the information to your subordinates, your colleagues, your lower staff, and the decision making roles when you have to strategize the certain things and you need to reach to the certain decision or the conclusion. So how you are making those decisions, so that is basically comes under the managerial roles. Now what is the roles of the management? The another one is the interpersonal roles, providing the leadership of the to the employees, acting to as an a liaison between the group, networking and fostering the relationship. So interpersonal roles are basically those roles which are actually including the making the networking or making the networking between the suppliers or the dealers or with the organization or with the two organizations, that we can understand with the interpersonal skills or interpersonal roles. The another one is an informational role. That means to gather the information from the inside and the outside of the organization, and also sharing and disseminating the information among the probable sources among the employees and the those who are needing that particular information. Now the third one is decisional roles. Decisional roles are those roles which are facing an endless stream of decisions, some which need to be made on the spot. So I mean the decisional roles is something very crucial. The manager need to understand that this at this particular point of time or certain point of time they need to make this decision on the spot, right? They can't wait for a long. So that's what the role of the management is. Now these are the roles which I have discussed about the in the today's session. We will definitely try to discuss with the new topic in the next session. I hope you like this video, and if you are having any kind of query, please do let me know. I'll definitely try to sort your problems in the live sessions. Thank you so much, students. Have a